Welcome back to Growonomics. It's been a while, friends, but we have an announcement. We have a new member in our family, and no, Mom and Dad, don't get too excited. This is an expansion to our hydroponic family. When we started this channel, we were just testing the waters to see if there was a pool of interest in our subject matter. See what I did there? But we got a little traction and feedback that made us feel like there's some interest in what we're talking about. Plus, we wanted to expand how much we could grow without drastically expanding the amount of weekly maintenance needed. Couple that with the fact that my parents started getting into hydroponics about a year ago, and we were pretty impressed with the system that they bought. So we followed suit, and we bought a Rise 3-tier garden. We aren't affiliated with Rise, and this video isn't sponsored by them, so this is just our honest, unbiased feedback. Our Rise garden is a 3-tier system that feeds 3 vertically stacked trays from a single 9-liter reservoir. Each tray has 3 inserts to determine how many pods each tray can hold, expandable up to 12 pods per insert, so 108 total pods per system is possible. The 65-watt light panels are fixed height and with a 30-centimeter grow height for the top 2 levels and an effective 40-centimeter grow height on the bottom tray. The Rise is kind of a combination of a deep water circulation system and a nutrient film technique system, in that the roots stay somewhat suspended in water, but the water is constantly flowing in a direction back to a central reservoir. Lastly, they don't include an air stone or air pump. Instead, the Rise operates for the falling of water between levels to reoxygenate it. So we've had it for a few months now, and what do we think? Overall, we're pretty happy with it. Our main goal was to have a system that could grow a large quantity of plants from a single reservoir, and this system works really well for that goal. It's significantly easier to clean and service than our AeroGarden farms. It also looks pretty fantastic as a design element in our living room. And it works as the Rise website advertises. All of that said though, we've seen it have some drawbacks. And I'd say one of the most significant drawbacks for us is the aeration. It would be really nice if Rise included some form of air stone and air pump that could interface with their intelligent control system, because without one, we've had to clean it much more frequently than the manufacturer recommended 6 months. To us, it's still unclear if the pump is strong enough to really keep water flowing as much as you would need to if you fully plant out the system. And lastly, it's a little hard to manually measure the nutrient levels of the reservoir because it's not super easy to access the open part of the reservoir. But this is more a matter of convenience and preference, I guess. But those criticisms are really about it. The Rise works well straight out of the box, but we really upped our production with a little planning and modding. We'll keep going over how this system works for us, but for now, join us in welcoming our new family. A 3-tier, 108-pod Rise garden. That's all for now, and happy growing.